Hey, what's up everybody? We're back on Supercar Street Racing today. We are testing something extremely cool. You know how we love the AI stuff and we use it a lot every day. SGINN.ai is a brand new AI creative engine that lets you build full cinematic videos, scenes, visuals, and content workflows faster than ever. We're going hands-on today, generating real visuals, testing prompts, publishing output, and seeing what this platform can really do. No fluff, just real results. And don't forget to subscribe to the second channel. You're on it now, Second Car Street Racing, where we will be dropping extra tests, raw projects, failures, and bonus samples with SGN.ai, but I don't predict any failures today. Now, what is Sgen.ai? Well, this is a creative intelligence platform. Think about script writing that meets image generation, that meets full video production, all connected in one ecosystem. Now, you can type an idea in and the system helps build out your storyboards, your animatics, your visual assets, your voice generation, and even your editing structure. For filmmakers, creators, advertisers, YouTubers, agencies, this is a production accelerator. It's designed to remove guesswork and turn ideas into visuals fast. And you can see what's going on over here. I have already uploaded 3 pictures and told Sgen.ai to create a open for my channel, and it has already started doing that right now. So Sgen is open right here. We created a short cinematic clip by writing a sentence. It's all right here. You can see it right here. There's 5 scenes, supposed to be 5 seconds each. And this is what I typed. It just said create an open for my channel using these pictures. Now here's where Sgen really stands out. You're generating a production quality visual material in seconds. And then number 2, it's cohesion. Scene scripts, character art, storyboards, voice lines, all from one place. Now number 3 is control. You're not stuck with one output. You can refine this, reprompt, upscale, shift your style, or rebuild an entire scene without starting over. Now, if we look over here, it's already generated the storyboard. It's already generated some images. And now it's doing the next part. It's generating text-to-speech. Let's see if we can turn on desktop audio and listen to this.
Welcome to Supercar Street Racing, where tech, tools, and powerful ideas come to life.
Yep, here's the next one.
We test cutting-edge gear, phones, flashlights, AI tools, and more. Everything you see is real-world, hands-on, and pushed to the limit. You're part of the journey. Every review, every challenge, every discovery.
So it is now doing image generation. So let's see what this thing can do. Sgen.ai helping Supercar Street Racing. And look at the image generation going on right here. You can download these images as well once they're produced. And then you can see that the audio is added below it.
Welcome to Supercar Street Racing, where tech, tools, and powerful ideas come to life. So hit subscribe and join us as you're part of the journey. Today's tech is truly everything you see. We test cutting.
This is going to be good, guys. I'm hyped. We are at Sgen Image Edit right now. And you can actually branch out and see exactly what they're doing. And it is on the next step here. You can see it generated some of the video here, some of the, look at that, that's cool. It generated that with my logo, and then me here editing with 4 screens, and it says image to video without audio. And it's doing its thing, let's let it continue. Okay, it's merging all our clips now. Let's see how that's gonna work out. I'm so hyped. I'm gonna make a bunch of these.
Welcome to We test cutting. You're part of the journey.
Yes. Now there's a drop down here. If you want quality versus cheap. Cheap, I guess, is lesser quality, but doesn't charge you as much credit. Now everything's complete here. It showed you what it created, and it gives you a final video output right here. Let's go and see what it did. It downloaded, let's see.
Welcome to Supercar Street Racing.
Let's get this back on this. Now there's no background music, I can add that in edit, but here's the whole entire production.
Welcome to Supercar Street Racing, where tech, tools, and powerful ideas come to life. We test cutting-edge gear, phones, flashlights, AI tools, and more. Everything you see is real-world, hands-on, and pushed to the limit. You're part of the journey. Every review, every challenge, every discovery. So hit subscribe and join us as we explore what today's tech is truly capable of.
This is awesome. This is going to be my new channel trailer. This is good. Let's make more. We'll go ahead and make another one, but guys, make sure you check out Sgen. How cool was that? I literally just gave it some pictures and said what I wanted, and then 20 minutes later, I had a brand new channel trailer. Sgen.ai will be in the description. Go ahead and click on it. Tell them Supercar Street Racing sent you. Let's click excellent right here on this, and we gotta get out of here. Let's go, guys.
Welcome to Supercar Street Racing, where tech, tools, and powerful ideas come to life. We test cutting-edge gear, phones, flashlights, AI tools, and more. Everything you see is real world, hands-on, and pushed to the limit. You're part of the journey. Every review, every challenge, every discovery. So hit subscribe and join us as we explore what today's tech is truly capable of.